and jump into what's gonna happen? You know? Exactly. You can't just be a minnow jumping in there with, did I tell you to record this?
You recording? This is classic.
Hey, jumping in there with tiger sharks that are just been in the game, just like, rawr. What's gonna happen? You're gonna get eaten faster than you can say. Just be a shark, jump in a kiddie pool. And, those little raptors, they're either going to get out of there, or, there's going to be some fish all up in the water. Jaws, the fifth reincarnation. What happens when Jaws goes out of water,
Fish out of water?
Fish out of water. Coming soon, June 2014.
Can impress me is if you drown a fish.
Oh, yeah, the only way, we have a friend, and I don't know if this is like an window to something, but she's like, to all those guys who be bumping trying to talk to me, you ain't talking about nothing unless you can drown a fish. Don't know what that means.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
That's an impossible standard.
Like I think it's possible.
Talk to me.
It's very hard.
You can't drown a fish, dude.
Yeah, you can.
You can.
Okay, technically they can drown in H3O, which is a higher concentration of water.
I didn't even know there was
people. Yeah, I promise. Hold up, I'm gonna Google it right now. Okay. Well, they use that in atomic bombs. What happens is H3O, when you have the uranium, H2O actually, because it's polarized, it absorbs some of that radiation and doesn't speed up the evaporation process quick enough. So what you do is H3O actually bounces off the molecules that is more hydrogen dense. So then that's kind of way they started the hydrogen bomb. For every, I think it's 10 gallons of...
You do realize, because we don't know what he's talking about, he could just say anything he wants.
I'm not... I'm Google it. I'm Google it.
Sounds like...
No, I'm going to Google it right now. Let me see your phone. It's faster.
He got you.
He wants the iPhone. You just need to get the iPhone.
No, I'm not balling like that.
Go phone,
That
man.
would be awesome.
It's not a Go phone. Why would you insult me like that?
Go phone. Yeah, I can talk about. I have one. What is it? It's a Go phone.
So where's the photo shoot tomorrow?
We're gonna be at Deep Ellum. Are you familiar with the area?
Yeah, I am.
Really? Cool. Hey, what's up? Is this the funny person?
No.
No.
Yeah, Remy is funny, but she's not. I'm not funny.
You look funny.
I love it.
I knew I said I told that would be against slap him. Just do it. I'll give you permission.
Here? No.
Can we do one?
Yeah, that would be fun. It's like a lot of colors.
Okay, let me show you some of the photos we've done.
Corporate office.
Well, I need you, and we're about to
Yeah.
wrap up.
Oh, it's time to wrap.
Did y'all come in for anything?
Oh, we were looking for some stuff for setting tomorrow. We have some of these right here. Recording?
What does that mean?
I don't know. Yeah,
You swear?
no, that's
It can mean anything. You're right. You're right. I need to look it up. That can mean anything.
It could.
sure what you have.
I don't know. Like the color.
Of course,
Down to that.
Starville. Man, don't be shy. This life's a movie.
Right. Check the roof out.
Why do you need all the pictures
On a pimp ring.
Bling bling.
I want to Google.
Money ain't a thing.
H3, I promise it's real.
H2, isn't that the next model?
No.
Funny
I
you
promise.
say
H3?
Funny you said, no, that was not funny.
Hold up.
H2 is fine.
That's a funny.